Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody! Today I'm going to start drawing in this book. So it's one drawing a day, a creative workbook for the artist in you. I picked this book up at Chapters, and it's just full of all kinds of different drawing prompts. You do one a day, just a really cool creative exercise, I think, and a great way to get me drawing every day. Alright, so if you want to come along for this arty journey, that'd be awesome. But I guess we'll just get into it. I have a lot of the prompts covered up by like little pink sticky notes, so I don't know what they say, but like on one side of the page it's not covered up because when I get to that page I flip it over, it's the first one I see, so there's no point in covering it up, but the other ones are covered. So, all right. Draw the eyes of someone you love. Okay, so that's our first prompt. Okay. The eyes of someone I love. Well, we're given a pretty big space here, so maybe I'll be drawing more than one set of eyes. I love lots of lovely people in my life. I've got 2 puppy dogs I love. I could draw my boyfriend's eyes, my friend's eyes. We'll see what happens here. I'm also not really sure about the pens or other kind of drawing materials I can use on this paper. I don't know if it's going to bleed through or not, so maybe I'll just do a few little test marks right here and see. We'll see. Maybe I'll start by writing the date. August 10th. Yeah, did that bleed through the page? Yeah, I don't love the way that bled through. I don't know if you can see it very well on the camera, but it did kind of go through a bit more than I'd like. So maybe I won't use the OptiFlow. And let's see about this Papermate Inkjoy. All right. Okay, so I think we're gonna stick with these. This doesn't go through the page as much. All right, the eyes of someone I love. Okay, so I think I'm probably gonna start with my puppy dogs. I've got some reference pictures here on my phone I'm gonna be looking at, so it's not from memory. I wouldn't be able to do it justice from memory. All right, so let's start. It's kind of hard to draw with this here on the other side. Normally, you know, I'd kind of like to just have my hand on the desk, but instead it's elevated here on this big, thick chunk of paper, but that's okay. We'll see what we can do. All right, so there we have it. There we have the eyes of one of my dogs who I definitely super duper love. And let's see let's see if I can draw some more. All right, so the next eyes I'm going to try to draw my boyfriend's eyes. All right, so puppy dog eyes and my boyfriend's eyes, done. Now I think I'm probably gonna do my other puppy dog's eyes. All right, so second puppy dog eyes, all done. And oops, didn't mean to make that little blob there, but that's okay, we'll power through. Maybe now my best friend's eyes. All right, so my best friend's eyes are all finished too. Kind of running out of room here for eyes of my loved ones. All right, no, we're gonna fit in some more loved ones here. Right up here, I'm gonna do the eyes of another one of my best friends. All right, so we've got my dog, my other dog, my boyfriend, my best friend, and one of my other best friends. And I still feel like I want to add some more eyes to this. I feel like I am very lucky to have so many people in my life who I love. So this video, the actual filming footage of this video is already like almost 40 minutes long. So my editor boyfriend might be a little bit rotted at that. So I'm gonna make it a little bit easier on him, and I'm going to stop recording right here, and then I will do some more eyes, fill up this page a little bit more, and then I will come back at the end and show you guys the finished picture. All right, see you then. All right, so I am finished drawing all the eyes of people I love. Of course, there's more people I love, but here's just a few I can fit on the one page. So we've got 1, 2, 3 puppy dog eyes, and then of course my boyfriend's, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good buddies. So I encourage you guys to also try to draw the eyes of people you love, and thanks for checking out my drawing. I certainly appreciate it. All right, folks, have an awesome day. Bye.